Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, how are you guys? I hope everyone are in a good health. Okay, remember, please stay at home. Okay. Alright, so even you guys are staying at home, but that doesn't mean that you will have free time lah from my ICT class, obviously. Okay, so today we are going to continue with the next subtopic in data manipulation topic, which is how to enter data using a table. Okay, basically in database there are two ways for you to enter your data. One is by using table, the one that I'm going to explain after this, and another one later on you will also learn on how to enter data using a form. Okay, but let's start with the first way how to do it first. Okay, so well, I'm going to use the example from the last database that I did in our lesson before. Okay, the cars database that I created earlier, remember, in the previous video. Okay, so now how to enter data using a table. So basically it's very easy. You already have your database, you already import the table in your database, right? So now this is my cars table. Basically in this database I only have one tables. Okay, so how to insert new data to this table? Okay, first of all, please do remember this: don't ever go to the first record or any record and replace. Okay, because when you do that, it will override the existing data, right? So how to enter a new data actually is by using this record navigation bar down here. Can you see here? Record navigation bar. Okay, before I explain on how to enter data, I will explain a bit about how for you to use this record navigation bar. So the first button will bring you to the first record. So let's say you might have thousands of data inside here, for example, right? So let's say I am now, this is my current data that I'm viewing now. So to go to the first data, I can click this first record data. When I click this, it will bring me to my first record. Okay. Next button, okay, let's say I'm here now. Next button is previous record. Mean it will go to one previous record that I'm selecting now. Okay, so you can see the current the record that I'm viewing now is record number 20 out of 67. Okay, so when I click this, it will go to 19, and again when I click previous record, it will go to 18, and so on. Okay, so okay, this is the current record, it will tell you where are you now lah. Okay, then next is this one, it will go to the next record pula. Kalau yang ni previous record, this is next record. Okay, so now I'm at 20, record number 20. So when I go next, I go 21, 22, 23, and so on. Right, then I have another button here. Okay, it is for you to bring you to the last record. So when I click this, it will go to last record. Okay, and the last button here is new blank record. Okay, so this is the button that you will use when you want to enter a new data in your table. Okay, so for example, let's say I'm at my first record here. So when I click new blank record, it will automatically bring me to the blank column at the bottom of your table. Okay, so this is where you enter your record. Sorry, okay. So my question just now, okay, so I have to enter this record, right? Okay, so sometimes you might have few records for you to record. Okay, the tips when you want to enter record, let's say lah, you have two record that you want to enter now. you have to make sure you enter it row by row. So enter the whole row first, then if you have next record, then you go to next row pula. Okay, so example, Ford, Focus, Silver, okay, and so on. So how to enter this is, I go to my database. Okay, so now I enter make is Ford. Okay, go to next column here. Very easy, just press tab button on your keyboard. So go to next column, okay? So next is focus, tab, and color is silver. Next column, tab, price is okay, it shows here that price is 1350. Okay, you don't very easy, you just type in the number. Okay, then it will do the setting for you, 1350, and see, it will change it to currency value. So you don't have to waste time to enter the RM 1350, then blah blah blah. Okay, so you just key in the number. This is 2285. So once I press that, it will change to the format that we have set before. Okay, year is 2008. Extras here say alarm, central locking wheels. Okay, I just follow the question. Okay, and here it should be yes. So okay, you can enter yes, right? Then I have the whole record. So if you have next record now, once you finish enter this and you press tab, it will go to the next record pula. So if you have more record to enter, just continue. Okay, so that is how you enter record using data. Very easy. Alright, now we continue with the next subtopic, how to add a field to an existing table. Alright, listen. Remember, when you create your database before, you import the table to your database, right? So you don't really create the table from scratch. Okay, but once you import, you can still edit your table. Okay, so let's say you have to add a new field. Okay, so as you can see, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 fields here. So let's say I want to add another field. Okay, so do I have to like import everything again? No. Okay, you can actually add a new field from the database itself. Okay, but how to add new field means you have to edit this table, right? So to edit this table, you have to change the view to design view. The one that you are viewing now is datasheet view. Okay, so to edit, you have to go to design view. Alright, so now here you can see all your field name and the data type for each field name. So now here you can add your new field. So example, here in task 18C, it say to add a new field to the database called pdate and add the purchase date of 20th December 2014 for the last car added to the database. So now basically I have to add a new field named pdate, and it should be in a date format, obviously, right? So since it don't really say any specific format for the date, I can just set any lah. But if the question mentioned, then you have to do it according to your question. So how to add? I just go to the last field that are blank here and add p date, and the data type should be date and time. So for the format, you can choose here. Okay, any format actually, because the question didn't mention, but if the question did mention, you have to choose according to your question. Okay, so let's say I want to add this date, medium date format. Okay, then when I change back my view to datasheet view, okay, you have to save this first and click yes. Alright, so you can see now you have a new column. new field called pdate, right? And in the question just now said, it asked me to add the purchase date of 20th December 2014 for the last car added to the database. So basically the one that I just add just now. Alright, so I have to add this date. So I go to the last record. How to go to last record? By pressing the last record button by using my record navigation button here, right? Then it bring me to my last record button. This is the one that I entered just now. So go to pdate and enter 20th December 2014. Again, you don't have to worry about the format. You can straight away enter the date. It will change the format for you. See? Right? Or you can also use this calendar if you want. Right? Okay, so that is how you enter a new record. Sorry, that is how you enter. You add a new field to your database. All right. Okay, I want everyone to do activity 18B. Okay, basically to do activity 18B, you have to complete already your activity 18A. Okay, right. Then once you do this, you submit me this activity 18B. All right.